Hey guys, this is John Bretza, Director of Product Development for Okuma Fishing Tackle. What we have here is a new surf rod series called Rockaway. It's our lightest, most responsive surf rod that we brought out, made out of 24-ton carbon. So that 24-ton carbon is going to allow us to make a thinner diameter, very lightweight, and once again, it's going to be very responsive. This rod is originally designed for any angler that wants to fish the surf, but with lighter application, and they need sensitivity, pick up the bite, or just for castability and they want a lighter rod. The other advantage with this blank is it has what we call UFR2 tip technology, ultimate flex reinforcement. The advantage there is that you have longitudinal fibers that distribute the force and the pressure in the tip section where guys will typically break rods because of high sticking. And this is going to dramatically reduce the chance of that happening with the UFR2 technology. The other thing that's nice with this blank is that by trying to make this rod as light and thin as possible, we went with what we call a tip over butt configuration. So the tip section of the rod and the two-piece section is going to fit over the bottom section. So that allows us to make a thinner blank in this bottom section. Now, as far as the guides go, what we want to do is we want to offer a lot of technology and a lot of advantage for the anglers. We're using what we call a C guide that is made out of 316 grade stainless steel for the guide frame. It features zirconium insert, so it's great compatibility for both mono as well as braided line. But the other nice advantage is that this guide frame is angled. It's got a forward angle, so if you're fishing braided line in windy conditions, which happens a lot in the surf, if you tangle around the guide and there's pressure on the other side pulling out, it's going to help pull line off and reduce tangles. Now, on the grip configuration, what we have is a very thin tapered shrink tube configuration that goes into the rear grip section that's complemented by a split EVA section. Now this rear grip that's going to be the shrink tube gives you a nice grip, but it's also very thin diameter, so it's going to keep it again lightweight. Now all the rods within this series are going to be two-piece configuration. They're going to be available in a 10-foot, 11-foot, as well as a 12-foot, and they're all going to be a moderate fast taper. So that's going to really help you load the rod up for casting as well as set the hook and work baits. Now the rods in the series are going to range from $99 to $109, so it's a tremendous value for a rod that's going to fish extremely well, be lightweight, as well as very responsive. If you'd like more information on the Rockaway surf rods and line ratings as far as product weights, check it out on okumafishingusa.com.